Hey everyone, got 3 minutes? Great, because I'm diving into the GOP's latest tax bill and how it's making the rich even richer. Yep, you heard that right. So what's the deal? The House just passed a massive $3.8 trillion tax cut package. They're calling it the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, but it's more like the One Big Benefit for the Wealthy Act. Here's why. First up, they've extended the 2017 Trump tax cuts. What does this mean for you? Well, if you're rolling in cash, it's fantastic. If not, you might see your taxes go up without this extension. Not so great. Now let's talk SALT. They're raising the state and local tax deduction cap to $40,000 for married couples making up to $500,000 a year. That's up from the current $10,000 cap. Sounds good? Sure, if you're in that income bracket. Most benefits will go to the top 20% of taxpayers. High-tax states like New York, New Jersey, and California are cheering. But hold on, this bill is adding around $2.3 trillion to the U.S. deficit. That's a lot of zeros. Our national debt is already sky high, and Moody's just downgraded our credit rating. Ouch. Let's not forget the safety net programs. Medicaid and SNAP are seeing big cuts. New work requirements and tighter enrollment periods might leave millions without benefits. If you rely on these programs, this is a serious blow. Now, for some specific tax changes, no taxes on overtime between 2026 and 2028. Deductible interest on U.S.-made car loans. Increased child tax credit to $2,500 until 2028, then drops to $2,000 with inflation adjustments. Higher standard deduction through 2028, so that's one small win for most of us. But don't get too comfy. They're cutting clean energy incentives. Say goodbye to that $7,500 credit for electric cars. Solar and wind credits are also getting axed. The bill passed in the House by a hair, 215-214. House Speaker Mike Johnson is thrilled, calling it a win for Trump's America First agenda. Democrats? Not so much. They're calling it a tax scam and promise to fight it. Former President Obama slammed it for risking health care for millions. Over in the Senate, the future of this bill is still uncertain. There's pushback, even among Republicans. They aim to have it signed by Trump by July 4th. Wrapping up, this bill also raises the nation's debt limit by $4 trillion to avoid default and throws in funds for border security and more. So there you have it, the GOP tax bill, making the rich richer and leaving the rest of us to pick up the pieces. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Catch you next time